What's up, my people? I know you don't hear from me long time, but I'm back now. Haitian Gun Wild reporting live from Orlando, Florida. Okay, but I need to be careful because I'm here. Immigration in town, they're looking for terrorists, but I'm not a terrorist. So I don't know what they're looking for. I'm a goddamn it, I'm an immigrant. But check me. So I'm hearing people say they're gonna have Netflix and chill. Oh baby coming over. Oh sweetie pie, baby, sweet sugar. Oh boo, my sugar poo, baby, big daddy, baga, all that stuff. Oh coming over, I miss you, And the girl's mom home, the boy in the house. Take picture, oh baby, over home, be here with me. I love my baby. What? How old are you? Almost 14, 13, 12, 15 years old. I'm almost 18. I never bring a girl home to my mom. Hey, I can't even make that girl go to the front door. Oh, crazy, man. Netflix and chill. There's no Netflix and chill in my house, okay? It's l'école, la caille, l'église, et puis that's it. Haitian Gun Wild, baby. Peace out. Man, immigration coming.